If you want to unlink your PayPal account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser or app and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the left sidebar, find and click on Payments. This section contains all your payment methods linked to your Facebook account. Step 4. Manage PayPal account. Under the Payment Methods section, locate your PayPal account. Click on it to view the details and options available. Step 5. Remove PayPal accounts. Select the option to remove or unlink your PayPal account. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure that the account is successfully unlinked. After completing these steps, your PayPal account will no longer be connected to your Facebook account. If you need to link it again in the future, you can always do so through the same settings.